I'm Savita Valsang and welcome to my channel Statistics Made Simple. In this video, we'll find solutions to problems based on infant mortality rate, neonatal mortality rate, and maternal mortality rate. These problems are usually asked for 2 marks in the exam, where 1 mark is allotted for the formula and the other mark is for the calculations and for the final answer. Problem 1. In a town in a year, 62,418 live births occurred, and of them, 3,207 infants died in the same year. Compute infant mortality rate. For the solution, write the formula for IMR, which is equal to number of deaths among infants in a year divided by number of live births occurring in a year into 1000. So the formula will carry 1 mark, and next you substitute the values for the numerator and denominator, which is equal to 3207 divided by 62,418 into 1000. Therefore, IMR is equal to 51.38. Again here, take only 2 places after the decimal after rounding off for the final answer, and the final step carries 1 mark. So totally this is a 2 mark problem. Problem 2. Compute infant mortality rate from the given data. In the first column, we have age group in weeks 0 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 24, 24 to 32, 32 to 40, 40 to 48, 48 to 52. Then you have number of infants as 3,000, 2,800, 4,000, 3,600, 3,800, 3,200, 3,000. And the number of deaths are 60, 40, 35, 30, 28, 20 and 15. Now keep in mind that an infant is a child who is aged less than 1 year. So in a year there will be 52 weeks. So that's why in the first column we have age group in weeks given from 0 to 52. Now to calculate the infant mortality rate, we need the total number of infants and the total number of deaths. So starting with the solution, write the formula. Consider IMR is equal to number of deaths among infants in a year divided by number of live births occurring in a year into 1000. So in the table, I have formed an extra row in pink color, that is the total, and found out the number of infants, which is nothing but the number of live births, which is 23,400, and number of deaths is 228. Substituting these totals in the IMR formula, we get 228 divided by 23,400 into 1000. Therefore, IMR is equal to 9.74. Problem 3. In a village, 23 infants died in a year. The number of live births in the year was 416. Calculate infant mortality rate. Solution. Write the formula. Consider IMR is equal to number of deaths among infants in a year divided by number of live births occurring in a year into 1000, which is equal to 23 divided by 416 into 1000, which gives IMR is equal to 55.29. Problem 4. In a particular city, 3,000 live births occurred in a particular year. The number of neonatal deaths was 120. Compute neonatal mortality rate. Solution. Write the formula for NMR, which is equal to number of deaths among neonatals in a year divided by number of live births occurring in a year into 1000, which is equal to 120 divided by 3000 into 1000. Therefore, NMR is equal to 40. Recollect that a neonatal is a child under 28 days of age. Problem 5. In a community in a specific year, 4,000 births occurred. In the case of 40 of the above, the mothers died due to childbirth. Compute MMR. So MMR stands for the maternal mortality rate. Start with the solution. Write the formula for MMR, which is equal to number of deaths among women during childbirth in a year divided by number of live births occurring in a year into 1000, which is equal to 40 divided by 4000 into 1000. Therefore, MMR is equal to 10 per 1000 women. MMR formula can be expressed either in terms of 1000 or 1 lakh. This particular problem we have expressed MMR in terms of 1000. Problem 6. Calculate MMR from the given data. We have age group in years 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 45. And the number of live births are 2,500, 3,000, 4,400, 3,200, 2,000. And the number of women who died due to childbirth are 30, 22, 12, 15 and 25. Now starting with the solution, write MMR formula, which is equal to number of deaths among women during childbirth in a year divided by number of live births occurring in a year into 1 lakh. So here I have expressed the MMR formula in terms of 1 lakh. In the given table, I have found out an extra row, that is the total, and the total number of live births are 15,100 and the number of women who died due to childbirth, that total number is 104. Substituting these totals in the MMR formula, we get 104 divided by 15,100 into 1 lakh. Therefore, MMR is equal to 688.74 per 1 lakh women. While working out problems on the vital statistics chapter, please keep in mind to write the entire words in the formula. Avoid using short forms in the formula. Also, practice all the problems repeatedly. Thank you so much for watching, and look out for my next video where I will introduce a very important topic which is called as the life tables.